Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome back y'all. So look, I know I look a lot different than I did earlier. I don't know if this is going to be on the same vlog, but I just wanted to come on and say hello once again. Today is, right now, is Thursday. So that's because it's late. It's almost 1 o'clock if it's not at 1. But I was in the bed and watching TV, right? I decided, I said, I bought 2 boxes of those panels for my wall. And I decided to, listen, just start putting some of that tape on there. And it always seemed like it's just so easy. These panels, I don't know how easy they're going to be to go on the wall and stay on the wall. Because they plastic. I cut the tape. And I put tape on all 4 corners. Y'all know I said first I was going to do 2 corners. And the rolls of tape I ordered, it wasn't that big, but they did do 33 of them. So I know the other box that I haven't done, that other pack of tape, will do it. And I still got a little piece of the other one, of the first one left. But I was saying all of that to say, I cut the tape and put these on, 33 of these, right? But I still got to take all of the tape off. First I got to get up there and I'm going to take the tape off one and stick it on the wall. I don't know if I'm going to have to cut any or none of that, once I start putting them on the wall. So I'm thinking that I might get started in the morning. I want to put the tape on the other ones, but y'all, sometimes you just don't have it in you to just do it. So I'm like, you know what? Just let me start off with these first, because I might not need them all like that. So it's 33, so 66 of them. But listen, I got to the last piece of tape, y'all. And why I kind of snipped the side of my finger, but I said, I hope it just kind of pinched it and not, it ain't bleeding yet, but I can kind of feel it a little bit. But anywho, yeah. So I got all of these done right here. Just wanted to show y'all, a little something. So yeah. So of course, when I get started, I'll move this TV stand and stuff out the way, so I can get started on it. Yeah, I'm watching the Soft Nurse brand. That's my girl. I don't comment a lot. I like a lot. Like, I'll heart it. I don't know if they can see that or not, but yeah, I don't see, I think they can see that. They just don't say nothing back to you. They'll like it back or something like that. But anywho, yeah, I love her channel. But y'all know the Soft Nurse brand right there. Hope y'all can see. But anyways, yeah, so I'm going to start over here. Y'all know I was going back and forth about the wallpaper and everything. And I even thought about putting the wallpaper on this wall and taking it all the way across, as this wall is crooked. When they cut my room open, to cut the rooms open years ago, I didn't even realize that the wall was that crooked on this corner. But anywho, y'all. And all the walls was not brand new. Some of the walls, they just sanded down because it was paneling over all the walls and then wallpaper up under that. So, but anyways, yeah, and I was going to take it all the way across the door and on the side of the door. So I thought that would look so cute. So cute. And that's what I was saying, maybe I should put the panels on the other wall where the picture is at, over there. So when you first walk in the room, you will see that wall. So now I'm going back and forth with myself again, but I know that it's not going to be enough for this wall. So I would definitely have to order some more if I wanted to do that. I don't think it would do half of this wall, or maybe it would do just half of the wall. And I wanted to take it all the way down. So yeah, and I still got to fix that curtain rod. But yeah, So yeah, that is so crazy. When I talk to y'all, that's when I see stuff. I did not realize that curtain rod was like that all this time. But anyway, I'm going to touch the wall and stuff up like I said. But I think that these panels will actually look so good over there. Y'all love that photo. That canvas is so pretty. And I went to one of my cousin house about a week ago. I don't know if I told y'all that already, but listen. She be watching my videos and she was like, it's like we're family. We've been family since we was kids. So, but anyhow, we went, and she was like, "Yeah, I seen that you got my picture." And I'm like, "What picture? That black and white one?" I saw it. I said it was only one, too, and I showed her it and put it in my buggy. When I got this, it was funny, but when I tell y'all, I went to her house. She's a nurse, and she also has a nursing school. She's the owner of a nursing school. But when I tell you, when I went to her house, when I pulled up in the neighborhood, first of all, it was just nice. I want to one day be able to live in a neighborhood where I walk out in everybody's yard and everything just is well kept. It's nice. But when I pulled up, and she's remodeling her house right now on the inside, I don't know what she did on the outside when she first got the house, but when I tell y'all, let me turn this. I only had the camera sitting there because of that picture, because she was so funny about it. But I know how it be when I always tell myself that learning from, I always decorated, but just learning from doing YouTube and stuff like that. Because that made me do a lot more shopping than I ever done for home decor and stuff like that. Trying to create content, but that will break your pockets. But anywho, just going in the stores and you see something that you like, it's like, if you have it to get it, just get it. And if you don't like it once you get home or whatever, just take it back, because if you're looking at it, somebody else looking at it too. But back to her house, I'm gonna set her name. But if she watching it, she gonna know I'm talking about her, y'all. But listen, baby, when I tell you the outside was just gorgeous, I knew I was going to walk into something on the inside. So I don't know what it was like I said before. She's been living there for quite some time now, for some years now. But I don't know how it was before on the outside. Like I said, I don't know what it was like on the inside. All I know is the renovations that she's doing right now, that house out of sight. It is out of sight, y'all. She got good taste. I just love walking into something that is just so pretty. That's beautiful. That you could say just gorgeous. When I tell you, it's so pretty, and I just can't wait to see the final reveal. It's so pretty. Starting from the entryway, walking in from the outside, walking into the entryway, and then the kitchen. The renovations on the kitchen is, oh my God, out of sight. The dining room, she has a long island in there. Now I think she knocked out some walls or something, but her living room sits right off of the kitchen. Just when I tell you, in my cousin voice, my other cousin, out of sight. Baby is out of sight. Changing the rails on the step. It's just, when I say, I told her, I walked in, I was like, you set me up. You should have told me bring my camera, because baby, I'm going to wait till she finished though, because baby, if she let me do a new home reveal, oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's like you sit back, like for me, I sit back and I think about the things that I could do. I don't like to remodel my house, like to add on, push going back. I got so many things wrote down that I want to do, because we've done that to our other home before. And then the other thing is like, do I want to sell this house or rent this house and then go look at another house? So I was like, one of these days I'm gonna go and do some home, when they have it where you can do the home tours, the open houses. I might get out one day and sign up for them. I don't know if you have to sign up for them or not, but sign up for them and then just do some open houses just to get some ideas. Because when I tell you what she's doing to her home, I love it. Love the color choices, just everything. It's just gorgeous. And I love, people always say I motivate them, but she ain't even in this type of work that I do. And she don't even know how much she motivated me when I went in to see, people get ideas from me, but I like to get ideas from people also. And when I tell you, but yeah, anywho, y'all, hopefully we'll get a tour one day when she finish. So then y'all can give me y'all opinion. I know it's going to be all good. But anyways, y'all, yeah, I just wanted to hop on and let y'all know what was going on. I wish I had this video up already where y'all could be like, listen, put that wallpaper behind that TV and put that wall over there. Put that wall over there, because that's what people go actually see it with that big pretty picture sitting there. So I don't know. I'm going to pray about it tonight. And then when I get up in the morning, I'll go from there with it. Because I think that will be enough wallpaper to actually do excuse me, to do this wall, because this wall behind the TV is nowhere near as big as that wall behind me. Hey, YouTube family, I just wanted to come on real quick and just show y'all how far I done got. So with the walls, looking good, y'all. When I first started, I had it over here in the corner up by, remember I said I was going to start all the way at the ceiling, which I wanted to. Wall a little crooked, so it is what it is on that part. But I ended up having to move them down some to try to make it even from that one, because I couldn't go rod to rod. So I had to just kind of leave some space on each side. And so first I thought about, well, I'm leaving it like it is and I'm just going to cut. And I'm like, I ain't finna do all that, make all that work for me. So the only thing I got to do, I did bring my black paint in because I still have some spots over here. And I think on the other side that I need to touch up once I finish this I know exactly what I need to touch up. So I touch that little spot up there. Gotta do, and I'm gonna move these curtain rod up. But anyways, it's looking good, y'all. I like it. Y'all see I had to put a ladder out. But yeah, I like it. So yeah, it's turning out pretty good. DIY. But yeah, so all right, y'all. I got my picture down, of course, and I got that sitting in the living room. I'm like, you know what? If I go to another Home Goods and I see another one of them black and white pictures like that, it's like an off-white, I gotta get it. And I'm gonna take those gold leaves down and just put them in my wall, on the wall in the living room next to my mirror, one of them, the one mirror, because I love that picture. And it could be made the same but with a different design, but with the same, there was the same, like the bumps on it, like kind of make it look like it's diamonds on it, and the black and that same off-white, but by the same company, but like with a different design, but the same colors is what I'm saying. So, but anyways, or either I might put it back in here, but I really would like to find one with the colors that I'm using and with black, but we'll see. I'm going to see when I get done, if I'm going to put it back in here or not. But all right, y'all, I just wanted to come on and just show y'all how far I got, and then I'll call y'all back. Okay, YouTube family, I'm back, and look at the wall is done. So, listen, I messed around and broke it. pick another plug cover up tomorrow. But overall, I like it. I love it. My husband cut the bottom pieces across. Those had to be trimmed. So they was almost cut like almost about a quarter of it cut off 6 of the sheets on the bottom in order for them to fit. So, but other than that, this was an easy project. Like I say, I share with y'all, they plastic, lightweight. I bought the tape that I bought was, you could use any 2-way tape really, but this is the tape that I bought. I bought the skinny tape. It's really narrow because of how the back of them was when I looked online. But you pretty much could use what you want. And the bigger probably would be better. You won't have to have so many pieces. But yeah, overall, like I said, I really like it. I'm gonna wait just a little bit after I get through eating. Then I'm gonna touch up the little bit of the wall that I have to. Yeah, I see the the curtains off the wall. The pieces for the curtain rod, for the curtain rods, that's been moved up already. I just need to go through, like I said, and touch up where the paint is at. When I said my black chairs, I had the black chairs up here with the studs, the paisley chairs. My husband did this. He had the chair up against the wall. You know, if you feel something slide, move it off the wall. And he the one did that and knocked that paint off right there. But I did tell y'all that the paint that's on the wall over here and the paint on this wall over here, y'all know this wall was done a few years before I even did that one. So that wall right there probably was done, I don't know, maybe three years. That wall probably was done too. And I think I used bare paint on those walls. And then I bought some cheap paint for these, which was the worst thing I could have done. Because anytime you move up against it, the paint is coming off. Worst thing ever. So, but anyways, I didn't have to touch up the spots I showed y'all that's behind there. But I do have some other spots, like I say, that I have to take care of. And I'm going to do that tonight so it can dry. Then I'll put the curtains back up tomorrow. But overall, like I say, love it, love it, love it. And yeah, I'm trying to debate if I want to start on the wallpaper tonight or if I want to save that for tomorrow. I have a busy day tomorrow. Save it for the weekend, but we'll see. I don't think it'll take too much time to do the wallpaper. But we will see. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think about it. I said I wasn't gonna show y'all until I cleaned the mess up and then put the plug cover back on over there and had everything painted. But I'm like, whatever, they know me.